I'm making frozen sangria. I've never tried this before. It could be terrible, but I'm using a recipe basically slightly made up because this is how they made it in Salamanca. They would basically pour a glass full of red wine, add a sachet of sugar, a slug of cognac, and the wine, and that was it, and a slice of fruit, and that was it. Move on.
What's in
So
there
that's
then?
basically what I'm doing. So, but I've got frozen orange cubes. So this is a whole orange that's been blitzed, minus the peel and the pith, but it is the inside of the orange because it.
All right.
And then I just froze it.
I thought it looked a bit like mango.
Yeah. Now I can't get it out, can I? Because it's only slightly frozen. But yeah, that's not so bad. Here we go. So it's got some sugar in it as well. Did I put sugar in it? I can't remember now.
Probably alcohol.
Yeah, probably.
Not yet. But that's the best sangria I ever had. No mucking around. No, you can't dilute it. Oh yeah.
God, those two cocktails there.
Curry White hasn't frozen.
Oh, Emma kommer hålla
Go on, you. Go
Yeah.
on, Kim K.
Yeah.
Kim K TV.
You could advertise your...
Right. There's some orange pith
Ooh, nice.
as well. We're making it properly orangey, and then we're going to add a bottle of red wine, which is not actually a Spanish one. It's a Shiraz, and it looks like it doesn't say where it comes from.
Oh, Shiraz is good.
Just in Spain.
It's got a hint of chocolate, hasn't it, Shiraz?
And
Oh,
then
it has actually. I'm not
forgotten-
making it up, seriously. No, it's got this sort of velvety chocolate taste to it.
And just a little slug of brandy, Ella,
I'll do what I
recipe
can.
from Salamanca.
Yes.
Classy stuff. Sachet of sugar and a slug of brandy. Put an extra from you. Right, here we go. So I am freestyling it.
Yeah.
So I will just stick it on. We'll do it. We'll do it a minute at speed 9.
Yeah. Sounds good.
Right, that's just with the orange in it. And now we're going to freeze it.
That was only about 5 seconds.
yeah.
wasn't
Well, I'm going to add the ice as well now. That was just
Oh, right.
the orange to make the orange
Okay.
blend in. Now we've got to freeze it properly. See, this is the joy of cooking outside. We can just get rid of the extra water. We don't want to dilute it too much.
it? No, not
Water
at
the
all.
garden.
Outrageous.
Voila.
So you're doing these like cocktail nights every night then?
Once a week is enough. I need recovery time.
Yeah, it takes you a week to recover.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
They've got really
Tsunami in the garden.
It's to be
Not
at least
tsunami.
8.5
What's that
on the
word?
Richter scale. That's
Hurricane.
nine. That's me, far
Yeah,
more than
earthquake even. Oh.
nine. After curry.
It's
It's a short one for you.
right, here we go.
Oh, look at that pink froth.
Oh,
I didn't expect it to look like that.
wow.
Because, yeah, when I do sangria, it doesn't go frothy.
That's
Funny
'cause
enough.
it's been blitzed.
Yeah, that's true.
I
Yeah.
think once it settles, can you see?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah, the
see
froth's
it's gone
going.
red
It's a bit
now.
bubbly.
Yeah,
We've run out of glasses.
It looks almost like jam. It's so.
yeah.
Yeah.
You're obsessed with your jam.
Here we go. Here is our Chateau
You
Neuf
see
du
jam
Pape
everywhere.
glass.
Yeah.
We
Cheers.
are the jamming boys.
Cheers.
You don't get to try. Yeah, you do get to try.
Right.
Go on.
Oh, right, shall I?
Okay.
I'll, right.